Brent Fulgham, Nashville, Tennessee.
What are we looking at?
This is 77 Scout 2. I've owned it for about 6 years. 304. Pride and joy. I love it.
I like the color. That green is that a forest green?
It's a good looking color. I can't tell you that was the color the previous owner had repainted it, and I liked it, so I didn't mess with it.
Has it got a lift on it?
It's got a
slight
2-inch skyjacker lift. And
how's it ride?
Rides great.
Can we see inside?
Yeah, absolutely. Had the seats reupholstered.
Looks like they're out of a Travelall.
Rhino aligned.
With
Either that or is out of an old van. I don't know.
They sure look Travelall.
Because of the armrest, yeah.
Got a good sound system, it looks like.
Yeah. I wanted to keep the dash kind of as is. I didn't want to cut into the dash, so I built a box to put the receiver in.
That green is
dressed it up a little bit.
It kept the stock radio.
Yep.
That's pretty neat. How's it drive again?
Drives great. Yeah. Doesn't like cold mornings. Doesn't like cold starts. But once she gets warmed up, she drives great.
Future plans?
You know, this will always kind of be my anatomically correct Scout. I mean, I've got a luggage rack that I'm gonna have kind of re-chromed and dressed up a little bit. I'm gonna put it on. But other than that, you know, eventually I'll get into some body work. Right now I'm just enjoying driving.
It doesn't look horrible.
Yeah.
It's above average for a Scout. And how long have you had it, you say?
I've had it about 6 years. Yep.
Sell it? Would
I
you
don't
sell
think
it?
so.
There you go.
Yeah, no. I've put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this, and you know, once you kind of invest the time and the, I don't know. There's also something a little, you know, a little sentimental about the first Scout. You know.
Do you have another?
No.
No parts trucks?
I'm on the lookout for one.
Gotcha. Well, thanks for showing us that.
Absolutely.
Have a good one.
All right, thanks, John.